Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club end of week commodity report, the non-members edition for the 27th of May 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets. We'll be providing a wrap-up of the week events. The session will cover commodity insights, so a snapshot of the latest developments, our top trade of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies, as well as a weekly market wrap, so end-of-week market summary and highlights for the week ahead. So let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is a #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they're routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth, generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please visit our website, which is www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Now moving over to commodity insights, a snapshot of the latest developments in the markets. We've continued to see very strong buying again from hedge funds, from institutions and from managed money positions. We've seen an increase in bullish commodity bets rising to a 2-year high of over 1 million lots. In fact, we've seen soybeans now up 23% on the year. Sugar is up 17%. Our research shows us that agricultural commodities, they're back in demand. Hedge funds increasing their bullish net long positions. This week we saw soybeans break out to 2-year highs. We also saw corn break out to 2016 highs, and with that the bullish net long positions are at their highest level since 2014. Soybean and sugar being the most popular and benefiting the most from the recent surge in these commodities. We've also seen oil hit $50 per barrel. So this week we saw that very key level tested yet again, 2016 highs. We've seen oil price now rise 80% from 12-year lows from $27 per barrel seen back in January all the way up to $50 per barrel, which we've seen tested again over the course of this week. We've really seen a key driver for that in the short term being disruptions to oil supplies, which have offset higher production from Iran and Saudi Arabia. Now what we'll be looking at as we go into next week, if oil does break above 50 and can sustain above that level yet again, we're paying attention to whether the price can hold above that level, which will give the Federal Reserve a solid reason to raise interest rates potentially as soon as the June FOMC statement. So it's definitely something to have on your radar as we head into next week, whether we can sustain above $50 per barrel. Where are prices going next? Well, in the short term, we'll be paying a lot of attention to next Thursday's OPEC meeting in Vienna. So that will be on June the 2nd. That will certainly be one for the watch list and a very important catalyst for the short-term direction here for oil. Overall, where do we expect oil prices to go the second half of the year? Certainly our research shows us that historically prices, they do trend lower in the second half of the year. So we're looking out for the OPEC meeting really giving us a very good indication as to whether this is the short-term top for oil, whether it will be the catalyst to start to see a rolling over in the overall price structure and breaking down as we head into the second half of the year. So we'll be monitoring that very closely. We expect oil's next big move to be decided by the outcome of that OPEC meeting. So do have that in the diary. Next Thursday, the 2nd of June, is the OPEC meeting in Vienna. Now we'll move over to our featured commodity this week, an end of week summary and highlights for the week ahead. So let's just move it over and we'll have a look at our featured commodity this week, which is going to be sugar. And sugar has had another runaway move over the last week. We've broken out to 18-month highs. We've broken out of the 2016 highs this week, broken above critical resistance, and we continue to see sugar attracting the attention as the price trend remains very positive at the moment. We've continued to break above key swing highs on the chart. You can see even last week we've now broken and closed above very important level of resistance, which was at $17. We're now sitting at $17.56 here into the close, and there's certainly more upside potential here for sugar. It's a market you definitely want to have on your radar. Sugar is currently one of the top 5 performing commodities of 2016, up 17% year to date. Essentially, sugar has closed right at the weekly highs here. We're looking for more upside as we we go into next week, if this is a market which you don't currently have access to, you absolutely want to be able to trade sugar, soybeans, corn, wheat, the agricultural markets, coffee, also very lucrative. And I would highly recommend getting in touch with us if you're not able to trade these markets currently. Certainly with sugar, there's a lot more upside potential here. We've got a deficit in global production, which could be the catalyst to much higher prices here over the course of 2016. Soybeans is another market you definitely want to have on your radar. We're sitting at very critical resistance where we're about to break above 2-year highs yet again, which would lead to another runaway trade to the upside. So if you don't currently have access to these markets and you would like to be able to trade the agricultural markets, absolutely make sure you get in touch with us at the Gold and Silver Club. I'll provide you with more details very shortly on that. Before we do so, let me move over to the top trades of the week. Our top trade of the week, utilizing the Gold and Silver Club research-driven strategies, has been corn. We've seen another runaway move this week. We've broken out to 2016 highs and we've benefited by a 375-point gain on this market as we've continued to see surges back into agricultural markets this week. We've seen corn surge, wheat surge, soybean surge, great moves on sugar this week as well, and we've benefited from these breakouts. And of course, if you would like to catch similar moves, if you'd like access to our exclusive live trading ideas ready to implement for instant results, there is an opportunity for you to get access to all of our trades. Whether you're a new trader, you're looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets, so really fast track your results, or even if you're an experienced trader, you're looking to really take your trading to the next level, then of course the private members live trading room, it's definitely for you. The private members live trading room includes exclusive weekly live trading room webinars, so live trade recommendations ready to implement. You get real-time trade notifications so you never miss a profitable trade. You get the exact details of where we're entering, exiting and placing our stop loss on every single trade. You get live trade support to help you successfully through each trade, customized technical charts and indicators to boost your win rate on every trade, as well as exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to give you really the ultimate edge in the markets. So if you would like to get exclusive access now, all you need to do is go to www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com, complete the enrollment form, and we'll get in touch with you ASAP. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at either our UK office, our US office, our Africa office, or our Asia office. So with that, I wish you all a fantastic weekend, good trading, and we very much look forward to hearing from those of you who will be joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.